Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Facts of Tech channel. I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah. We need to know important things. Many of us use different types of web browsers like Chrome, Opera Mini, UC browser, etc. But are we ever wondering how useful the browsers are for us? Many of you may not know that many of these browsers steal our information. However, to avoid this problem, today I am going to tell you about 5 browsers that are very secure for us. I will show you at the same time how and where you get these browsers. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Brave browser. Brave is arguably the most secure browser with simple, out-of-the-box privacy. It is a Chromium-based browser that is fast, secure and privacy-focused by default. Number 2. Firefox. Firefox is great all-around browser for privacy and security. It offers strong privacy protection features, many customization options, excellent security and regular updates with an active development team. The new version of Firefox is fast and lightweight with many privacy customization options. Number 3. Tor browser. Next up we have the Tor browser. The Tor browser is a hardened version of Firefox that is configured to run on the Tor network. By default, the Tor browser is a secure browser that protects you against browser fingerprinting, but it also has some disadvantages. Number 4. WaterFox. WaterFox is a fork of Firefox that was maintained by just one person for many years. In February 2020, news blew up on Reddit that it had sold out to a pay-per-click ad company called System1. The news was also picked by AppAlerts, which resulted in WaterFox and System1 formally announcing the acquisition, but only after the news broke. Number 5. Iridium web browser. Like Brave, Iridium is a secure web browser that is based on Chromium and configured for more privacy by default. The following expert from Iridium's website provides a good overview of this secure browser. Now let's talk about how you can download these browsers. I will give you the link in description. From here you can download this simply. So friend, that was for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz and thanks for watching.